Imagine a single rhythm so powerful it changed reggae forever, inspired hip-hop's birth, and still runs dance halls 50 years later. That's Stalag 17. This is One Drop Facts, where we share the stories like we're sitting down together. Ready? Let's roll. Today we're diving into the most versioned rhythm in Jamaican history. The one with a horn line you've heard 100 times, but maybe never knew the story behind. 1973, Kingston. Winston Riley records an instrumental named after a war film, Stalag 17. It's simple but deadly. A heavy bass line, crisp drums, hypnotic guitar, organs from Ansel Collins, and sax from Tommy McCook. A track built for battle. But here's the twist. While Riley gets the credit, Ansel Collins later claimed he was the true creator. His words cut deep. A man must get his due. And that's the first hidden truth about Stalag. Behind the music was a struggle for recognition. Then came King Tubby's hometown HiFi. Tubby dropped the riddim, U-Roy toasted over it. Not for 5 minutes, not for 10, but 45 minutes straight. The crowd went mad. That night, the riddim stopped being just a recording. It became a weapon, a rite of passage. Fast forward to the 1980s. The riddim roars back to life. Johnny Osborne's In the Area brings it to dancehall. Then Tenor Saw creates Ring the Alarm, freestyled lyrics from a real sound clash, 4 big sound in a 1 big lawn. The anthem was born on the battlefield. And then came Sister Nancy. In one take, freestyling over the riddim, she gave the world Bam Bam. At first, Jamaica barely noticed, but overseas, it became an anthem. Sampled, remixed, used everywhere. But here's the painful part. For 32 years, Sister Nancy never saw a cent. Her producer kept the royalties. Only in 2014, after her daughter spotted Bam Bam in a Reebok commercial, did Nancy finally win back 50% of her rights. A global anthem built on struggle and justice. From Kingston to the Bronx, Stalag 17 carried the DNA of reggae into hip-hop, inspiring pioneers like Kool Herc. It's been versioned by everyone, from Yellow Man to Bounty Killer to Shabba Ranks. Every DJ wants their voice stamped on it. So why does Stalag 17 matter? Because it's more than a bass line. It's a living history of creativity, conflict, survival, and resilience. A rhythm that turned dances upside down, built careers, sparked lawsuits, and echoed across continents. It's not just music, it's the story of reggae itself. Now tell me, which Stalag version hits you the hardest? Ring the Alarm, Bam Bam, or another hidden gem? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget, one drop, one love. Stay groovy.